Hi there, it's Dan Olsen. I'm gonna start making my Primanti's Brothers sandwich. I'm so excited. The first thing I have to do is cook the fries, basically. Bake the fries. So let me get them out here in the pan. I got 4 sandwiches to make, so I'm only gonna do 1/4 of the fries right now. And that should about do it right there. Cool, we got 1/4 ready to go. The oven's preheating. I'm gonna put them in the oven. All right, the oven's preheated, so I'm gonna put the fries in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until they are golden brown. Next up, we have the meats. I'm gonna start with Capicola. That was my favorite that I used to get back in Pittsburgh. So I'm gonna cut this guy open and put this on a pan to heat it up and melt the cheese. So they don't mess around. They give you a pretty good stack of meat for each sandwich. So this is meant for 1 sandwich each. So it smells yummy. Look forward to heating this guy up. All right, now I'm gonna put the Capicola on the pan to heat it up so we can melt the cheese. And again, they have not shortchanged us at all on the meat. This is probably 3 times the normal amount of meat, at least I would have on a sandwich, but let's see what we got here. We got 6 pieces, 7 pieces. All right, we'll try to make room for 7 pieces. Oh, 7.5. All right, we got a little half piece there. They didn't want to shortchange it. So there we go. We'll let that heat up and then we'll put some cheese on it. All right, the Capicola is looking nice. All right, next we got to get our bread ready. They gave us this humongous loaf of yummy Italian bread. The instructions say to make sure that you cut the slices thick, between 3/4 of an inch and 1 inch. So let's get our 2 slices of bread for our sandwich here. All right, got the end off. Let's try to shoot for 7/8 of an inch. How about that? Right between 3/4 and 1. All right, slice number 1. Go. Okay, and now slice number 2. Try to match it about the same thickness. Go. Looking good. All right, we got our 2 thick pieces of bread for our sandwich. Okay, our fries are ready. Let's get these guys out of the oven and take a look. Ooh, yeah, look at that nice goldy, crispy brown. We're gonna go right into our sandwich here in a moment. Okay, next up we have the cheese. It is provolone cheese. Interestingly, they gave us 4 slices. So apparently it's 1 slice of cheese for 7.5 slices of meat. If you ever wondered what the Primanti Brothers meat to cheese ratio was, it's 7.5 to 1. Let's go get this on our meat. Okay, the time has come to put the cheese on our meat. So first off, I gotta stack all these guys, since we have 7.5 pieces of meat for 1 piece of cheese. No one's starving here at Primanti Brothers. You know what? I'm tempted. I'm just gonna break protocol here. I'm actually gonna do 2. I'm gonna make 2 stacks of 4. There we go, 2 stacks, yeah, 3.5 and 4. And I'm actually gonna get a second piece of provolone because that's not enough cheese for me. Okay, I now have my second piece of provolone cheese because it's just not enough. Sorry, Primanti Brothers, I love you, but I can't do 7.5 meat to cheese. So there we go. We're gonna heat this up, let this melt so we can put it into our sandwich. All right, now it's time to slice our tomato. They sent me 2 of these small tomatoes, so I guess half of these goes per sandwich. I guess this is the only approved vegetable beyond coleslaw that you get to put in there. So let's slice our tomato. So I'm gonna slice this guy. We'll slice it lengthwise. We'll get half for sandwich number 1 and half for sandwich number 2. Nice and juicy here, looks good. All right, we got our tomato ready, so we're set there. All right, I'm gonna put my tomatoes on my sandwich here. All right, we got that. The meat is almost ready to get on there, so we'll do that. And then we'll also get our fries on there along with the coleslaw. All right, the meat's ready, so let's get this on here in the sandwich. Wow. And number 2. Wow, looking good. Very big for the size of the bread, but looking good. All right, next up we got our French fries. We put these in the sandwich itself. Oh, this is gonna be good. We have enough for more than one layer of French fries in the sandwich. It's just overflowing with these as it should be. Excellent. Cool. We got the French fries in there. And last but not least is the coleslaw. So let's get our coleslaw on here. They give us a lot of coleslaw. Ooh, so oh, it smells yummy. It's like the special Primanti Brothers coleslaw. It's hard to describe. Someone was telling me like it's more vinegary than creamy. I think that makes complete sense. It's just such a, it just brings me back when I smell that coleslaw, because it is definitely one of the distinctive flavors in a Primanti Brothers sandwich. So just a little bit more to make sure it's fully covered. Make sure we got so much coleslaw, so we're good to go. Let's pop it in. A little teeny bit more. Oh, let's go. There we go. And I haven't even used like a sixth of it yet, so I guess I can pile on a little bit more. So make sure we have adequate coleslaw ratio to the fries. Coleslaw to fry ratio is critical. All right, there we go. So we got our coleslaw. I think we're ready to put this bad boy together. I realized I forgot to salt the fries, so I'm gonna put a little salt on my fries. And now we are ready to assemble this bad boy. If we can do this without anything falling over. It is a serious, there we go. Hey, look at that, first attempt, it worked. Look how thick this thing is. This is what you would get. In a few minutes, I'm gonna take a bite into this and let you know how it is, but this looks absolutely amazing. So I hope Yin's enjoyed my video. I can't wait to eat this.